Wouldn't it be great if you can add a touch of elegance and culture to your home while still making a smart financial decision? Well, this is possible if you buy an investment quality Persian rug. Hi, I'm Sean with Catalina Rug, and in this video, we're going to be going over the various reasons why Persian rugs can make a great investment, and also we'll go over how to make sure that the next Persian rug that you buy is going to be investment quality. For example, we'll be taking a look at who you should buy the rug from, how to make sure that the Persian rug that you're buying is high quality. Also, we'll talk about what types of Persian rugs appreciate more over time, and also how to protect your investment so that it remains in excellent condition over time. So if you're interested to learn more about why Persian rugs make a great investment and how to make sure that the next rug that you buy is investment quality, then stick around, and all that is coming up now. So let's get into it. The top reasons why Persian rugs make a great investment. So one of the reasons is that Persian rugs have really stood the test of time. And what I mean by that is that Persian rugs have been used as home furnishing for many centuries, going all the way back to the 15th century, where European royalty would purchase Persian rugs and use it in their home, all the way to modern times where you see a lot of luxury homes and traditional homes using Persian rugs. So you know when you purchase a Persian rug, you can use it as your home furnishing and decoration, and it's never going to go out of style. So another reason that Persian rugs make a great investment is that for a relatively low price, you can invest into a piece of art. And what I mean by that is that usually artwork can cost millions of dollars or more, and really for a fraction of that price, you can get your hands on a true museum quality Persian rug. So another reason to keep in mind of why Persian rugs make a great investment and how their price continues to go up every year is that the cost of labor and the cost of material in Iran generally goes up every year. And what this does is that it costs more to weave new Persian rugs, and this higher cost of new Persian rugs drive up the cost of existing Persian rugs. So this is another reason the price continues to go up. Also, another reason is that the skilled weavers that were previously in villages and in tribes that would be making the rugs, they are moving into the cities and becoming more modernized. And also there's a lot more opportunity in the cities for the existing weavers, and so there's generally a lack of weavers available to make the Persian rugs. So this supply demand that's going on with the skilled labor is another reason that the prices of Persian rugs continue to go up every year. So due to this lack of supply from the tribes and villages and just the shortage of Persian rugs that are available to purchase, this makes the sourcing of new Persian rugs more difficult. And so when the purchasers go to Iran to source the rugs, instead of being able to buy them in bulk and buy many at a time, now they're forced to start picking out rugs one at a time, as they're harder to come by, especially when it comes to the rugs that are coming from the tribes and villages. So another nice thing about Persian rugs that makes them a great investment is that they're an asset that you can easily pass down to the next generation. So of course, if you take care of the Persian rug, they're not going to only outlast the owner, but they're going to outlast many generations to come. And this is why still you can find Persian rugs from the 15th century in museums that are in excellent condition. And the nice thing about Persian rugs is that they don't really have titles you have to deal with. They don't have much paperwork. You can easily pass them down, and you know that this asset and this investment that you're making is going to be enjoyed for many generations to come. So another part of Persian rugs as an inheritance that makes it really special is that Persian rugs are, of course, a piece of art, and they are an experience that you have when they lay down in your home or they're hung on your walls. And I think it's really beautiful to imagine that the next generation is going to have the same experience that you're having right now as this art is sitting in your home. If you enjoy this video and appreciate this type of content, then I invite you to like and subscribe, because we put out a video like this every week, and that way you can learn more about Persian rugs. Now, next, let's go ahead and go over how you can make sure that the next Persian rug that you buy is going to be investment quality. So the first thing is you have to make sure that you're buying a true, authentic Persian rug. And the way a Persian rug is going to be authentic is that, first of all, it has to be hand knotted, and also it has to be made in Iran. Rugs that are made in any other country don't count as Persian rugs. And of course, rugs that are machine made, hand tufted, or even handmade are not really authentic Persian rugs. They have to be hand knotted. And we made a really good video covering this topic in depth called How to Spot an Authentic Persian Rug, so I definitely recommend you check that out first. So another part of making sure that you buy an investment quality Persian rug is to make sure that you go to a reputable rug dealer. So unfortunately, there's a lot of Oriental rug dealers out there that will mislabel a rug and sell you something that is not actually from the origin that they say it is, or they'll sell you something that's hand tufted, not actually hand knotted. And so you have to be very careful about the rug dealer that you go to make your purchase. So what I recommend to do is, first of all, check online, look for their online reviews, make sure that they have lots of reviews and read through them to check other people's experience. Also, another thing is to make sure that they've been around long enough that they have really developed a solid reputation. And also, it's a good idea to check that the rug is going to come with some sort of appraisal or certificate of authenticity, because you want to make sure that the rug that you're getting is actually what they say it is, and that way it comes with all of the information about the origin of the rug, about the knot density, what city it comes from, and the type of material. All of the information should be on this certificate of appraisal, or sometimes it's called rug appraisal. So these are things I recommend you do to check the reputation of the rug dealer. Alright, so let's say that you found a reputable rug dealer that you can trust and that you're sure that the Persian rugs that you're looking at are truly authentic. So the next step is to make sure that your rug you're buying is in excellent condition. So for a rug to be in an excellent condition, you have to look at a few different factors. One of them is that the rug shouldn't have any repairs. If it does have any repairs, they should be very minor and not noticeable. The next thing is that the rug has to be as straight as humanly possible. Of course, these are rugs made by hand, so they're not going to be perfectly straight like a machine-made rug, but they should be pretty straight. Also, another thing you want to take a look at is the pile of the rug. Make sure that the pile of the rug is not worn out, that it still has plenty of thickness to it left, so that way as you use it over time, it stays in great condition. So the next part of making sure that you're buying an excellent condition Persian rug that's high quality is to check its material. So Persian rugs usually come with a wool pile. Sometimes they have a combination of silk and wool, or sometimes they have 100% silk pile. So for example, if the rug is made with a wool pile, you want to make sure that the wool feels nice and soft, that it's nice to walk on, and also that the wool has absorbed the dyes really well when the rug was made. And if the rug is made with silk material, to make sure it's real silk, that is not synthetic silk. So if you want to learn more about the materials that are used in Persian rugs and how to check their quality, I definitely recommend you check out our video called Persian Rugs Material and learn more about it there. So another part of buying investment quality Persian rugs is, of course, the aesthetics of the rug. And in my opinion, I think that Persian rugs and their beauty is really subjective, but there are a few things to consider when it comes to the aesthetics of the rug to make sure that they're investment quality. So one of the things is that you want to make sure that the design of the rug is very artistic and unique. The more artistic and unique the design of the rug, the more its value is going to appreciate over time. Also, you want to check the color combination, make sure that it has good harmony and is well balanced and works well together. And you want to take a look at the pattern of the rug. Make sure that it's symmetrical as humanly as possible and there's no broken sections in the pattern. So of course, the more rare and the more unique the rug is, the more the value is going to appreciate over time. So for example, one of the factors that impacts this is if the Persian rug was made in a famous workshop. And an example of this is Persian rugs that are from the Sabr workshop from Mashhad. Because this workshop no longer exists, these rugs are demanding much higher prices as collectors are looking for them and willing to pay these higher prices. Also, another factor is if the Persian rug is coming from a tribe or from a village that no longer exists, and this making the rugs even more rare. So for example, Persian rugs that are from the city of Sultanabad are demanding much higher prices nowadays because this city no longer exists and making these rugs more rare. Let's say that you listened to our tips and you found yourself an investment quality Persian rug, or maybe you already own several investment quality Persian rugs. So of course the next step is to protect your investment and keep the rugs in an excellent condition. So this of course means taking care of the rug. So vacuuming the rug frequently, rotating the rug once in a while, also protecting it from direct sunlight or from heavy furniture by using rug padding, or removing stains right away when they happen, or taking the rug to professional rug cleaning whenever it needs to be cleaned. So there's a lot of different topics when it comes to rug care, and we definitely cover a lot of these topics in our videos, so make sure you check those out. So this concludes our video on why Persian rugs make great investment and how to make sure the next Persian rug that you buy is going to be investment quality. Now, if you want to check out some investment quality Persian rugs, then I invite you to go over to our site, catalinarug.com, and look up the Persian rugs collection there. And if you're watching this video on YouTube, then I invite you to like and subscribe, comment below, and I will see you in the next video.